can just pull it out.
Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to recaulk. I really hate saying that word. I'm going to recaulk the shower. So first thing you want to do is remove the old caulking. I don't know what I'm supposed to use. I'm gonna use a flathead screwdriver. Cause I don't know. Short people problems. So I'm just gonna go like start here or something. Can I just pull it out?
You can just pull it out.
That's what he said.
You just have to try.
Ow!
Stop, Mommy.
Why?
So you won't hurt yourself. Oh my gosh. You see this big line? The wall, right, kids?
Mm-hmm.
It's the wall.
Oh!
Oh, shoot! Sorry. Oh. Rub it. Where did it hurt?
Right here.
Here?
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
I should really try to figure out what I'm supposed to use. Oh, that's how easy it should be. Alright, so I removed all the old. I'm really tired. That was a lot of work. So, you know how I was struggling getting the old caulking out? I'm supposed to use this. Oh, it's jelly. Much easier. I'm supposed to be cleaning up all the dust, so I'm just gonna use a brush. So I went to the Ace Hardware store on Dale Boulevard in Woodbridge. Shout out to Greg for helping me. He showed me how to use a caulking gun.
I got police.
And Eli got a police car. I actually went and got some white caulk. I can't. This gun has two tools in it.
Can I get this?
The first tool is
this.
So we're gonna put it in at an angle. And you can see in here where the
And then you
the
cut
knife
it,
part
and then you put it right here. Right, Mama?
yeah.
It's good. It's Gucci.
We're supposed to use this, stick it in this hole. There we go. Okay, so I heard it pop. So I have to loosen this so that I can open this part and get this in there. We're gonna open this, push as high as it goes, and then release that. And while we're caulking, we're shooting. Bam, bam, bam. Should be fun. Can you see over here, Eli? Can you see over here?
No, because of her back.
Caulking done. We need some caulk. I forgot. Run my finger. I'm gonna practice. You can still see the old stuff right there. But anyway, that's how you do it. And if it's your house and you don't care how ugly it looks, just practice later. It's actually really fun.
My tip was a caulking gun.
Use a caulking gun. It makes it so much easier. Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe.
Yeah, thank you for watching. Mommy, say goodbye to the kids when you're done with the video. Okay? She's gonna do that, okay?
Okay.
Okay, guys.
Not show everyone my tampon box.